going to see how we can scrape data from a website if it's present in a structured format using the table extraction wizard. We are going to see this in if the studio is present in the classic design experience mode. In order to do the same thing in modern design experience mode, please refer to the video which is being highlighted at the top. So let's get started with today's big learning and short video. So let's again scrape the data from the same website as we had extracted in the previous video using modern design experience. So here all the products are listed out along with their price and review ratings and all other details. The name of the product also has the URL embedded into it, which will take us to the detailed view of the product. There are multiple products listed and these products are spanning across multiple pages which we can navigate using next. Once we reach the end of the product list, this next button will be not available. The number of pages that a search can result is dynamic, so we have to handle this scenario in the classic experience. So let's now start how this can be achieved using UiPath. So let's open the UiPath Studio. We can see that the project is open in the classic experience mode. There is something called data scraping on the ribbon. This is the one which we can use to extract structured data from browser or application. So let's click on this. This will open up the extract wizard. Then here we have to click on next and select any field. So first we want to fetch the details of the product name and the URL. So we have selected one. It asks to select a second element. So when we select a second element, then the UiPath will know, okay, this is the pattern in which all the elements matching this pattern has to be extracted. So we will select another element. We'll click next and select the second element. Okay, now it has understood this is the pattern and it's highlighting all the name of the products. So which is as per our expectation. So at the same time here it shows both extract text and extract URL. Here we want both the text as well as the URL. The text will have the product name and the URL will have the link which will take us to the product details. So we will check mark both the things and give meaningful name as product name and product link. Now let's click on next. So here we can see in the preview the list of products and the corresponding links. Now if we want to extract other information, related information like the price, then we can click on extract correlated data. So let's click on this and we will again select one of the price. So again, to find out the pattern, to let UiPath know the pattern, we have to select the second element. So let's click on next and click on second element. So perfect. Now UiPath has understood. It has to find out all the fields which is matching this pattern, and so it has highlighted all the corresponding prices of the product. And we just need the text this time, so we will keep it checked and the URL will be unchecked, and we will give the name of the column as price. And let's click on next. We have got both the product name, product link and the price. Similarly, we can extract all other details like the reviews and etc. Then we can also fetch the image URLs also. For now, this much is fine. So we will click on finish. Next, it asks that Is the data spanning across multiple pages? In our case, it's yes. So we have to indicate the next button or the. So let's scroll down where the next button is available and now click yes. So now we have to indicate the next button so that UiPath will know that this is the button it has to click and navigate to next page each time till it reaches. With this, the extraction is over and the activity is created. Now, whatever data has been fetched, it will be stored in a data table. So here we can see automatically a data table has variable has got created. We will find it in the variable section and we can change it also to some other data table name. For now, let's keep it as extract data table. Also, here we can see an important field which is max number of results. It currently will extract only 100. Suppose there are more results which has to be fetched, then it will stop at 100. It will not fetch rest of the rows. In our case, we have 88 results, so that is fine. But in case at times when there will be more results expected, then we should increase the limit. So 100 or 1000 based on the requirement we can specify. Then with this, now let's type all the values into the Excel sheet. So for that, we will use the WriteRange activity under File Workbook. Let's drag it over here and let's specify the path and then the data table, which is nothing but extract data table. You have to remember to click on add headers or else the column names will not be written to the Excel file. Now let's execute and check how the result looks. So here we can see that each time UiPath navigates to the next page and extracts the results and so on. Once it reaches the end page, then it will stop. Now let's open the Excel sheet and check out the results. And the result looks perfect. Here we can see the first row has the header, which is the column names, that is product name, product link and the price, and the subsequent rows has all the product details. And we can see the total number of rows which are fetched is 88, which is matching the expected count. So this is how we can scrape the data which is present in standard format like in tables from documents and websites and write it into an Excel sheet in the classic experience design mode of UiPath Studio. In order to achieve the same in the modern experience design mode, you can refer to the video which is currently being flashed. Hope this was helpful to you and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.